if you're watching this video, you clicked on the thumbnail, and you probably clicked on my thumbnail because it stood out and you liked it. And I'm going to teach you how I make these thumbnails in this video, so keep on watching. I actually, and a few trade secrets coming out in this video, use a really well-known design tool that does everything. Social media posts, all kinds of artwork. It's called Canva. A lot of people use it, but you probably didn't think to use it to make your thumbnails. Have a look and click in the link in description for a free trial of Canva. You can test out everything free. I think it's for 14 days. So now let's jump in and you're going to see how I make these thumbnails using Canva. So you might well have heard of Canva because it is a very popular design software used by graphic design agencies, individual designers, and of course by individuals to make all of the artwork for their social media and their website. And you can do just about everything when it comes to graphic design with Canva. And it's got a great way of doing things. You know, you can just click a design and what do you want to make? You can make a Facebook post, a video, Facebook covers, just about everything. And I'm probably going to make a series of videos on everything that Canva can do. But today we're going to talk about something that is very, very important if you create for YouTube, because you need good YouTube thumbnails. So you can see that I use Canva to make all of my thumbnails and other stuff as well. Subscribe buttons, my little icons for my videos that you'll see, even that little sting you see, Fill Review software, that was made. All of them, yes, and the animations as well, within Canva. But let's stick to the thumbnails now, and here are the YouTube thumbnails. So, if you want a starting point for your YouTube thumbnails, by the way, if any of these videos are slow today, it's not because Canva is slow, it's because I am in the back of my van. And if we scroll through the left, you can see that there are literally hundreds and hundreds of, I say winning because they are great designs for these thumbnails. And you can scroll through and you pick the one that suits you or your channel. And one of the arguments people always have, and I quite agree with this one, is to make the thumbnail first. This is what the big guys say. They say make the thumbnail first before you make your video. Because the most important thing is to create a winning thumbnail. Because if it's a bad thumbnail, however good the video is, people aren't going to click on it. It's a little bit like if you have a bad advert, however great your services are, people aren't going to click on the advert. So let's do a new one. I was going to use one of mine, but let's do a brand new thumbnail. And let's make this one my own. It's loading up. Here we go. So that's the thumbnail that we want to use, but we want to change the text. And this is where Canva's great. So press delete, get rid of him, and insert me. And I'm going to show you a few tricks here, possibly a few secrets, because I want to upload another picture there. So I'm going to click on uploads. In another video, do you know what? I think I'll just show you now. How am I going to do this? Let me drag this over. Very easily, very quickly, just let me show you how I get my pictures. So you can see these pictures here have all been uploaded to Canva. But how do I just get that picture first? Because from that picture, I'm able to make the picture that goes on the thumbnail. I'll show you very quickly. Let me just drag over my recording software I'm recording now. This might do that silly mirror jumping thing. Are you watching? So if I just cut to me, there you go, see me smiling. And I look at, let me just, I can't do this, can I? Wait a sec, I'll have to do this, hang on. I'm going to have to drag that over here. Will that work? Give me a second. So I'm recording, yes, I'm recording me. So if I cut back to me now, there I am, smiling at the screen. So I use Manycam Studio. The link is in description. You want to try Manycam. So I want to get this particular screenshot and I'm going to put it into the video. All right, so watch this now. So I'm just going to look at the screen and smile. Sometimes I point, whatever I do, smile. And I'll take a few of these. And can you see the snapshot button? Cheesy. Okay, there you are. Taking a few of those. Right, drag that back. Hope this is making sense to you. Okay. Now, I want to upload one of those videos I've just taken, upload file, and I go to my pictures and Manycam. So I've just taken those screenshots there. Find the best one. None of them are particularly good, but we'll use that one with the slidey head for today. There it is. So literally, this is when I'm making my thumbnails. I'll have made the video, and obviously I'm wearing the same shirt, and I will click use that video. There it is. There's a couple of things with this video. You can see, number one, I've got a lot of wrinkles, and my teeth aren't as white as normal. Trade secrets, but that's the way of the world now. But also, it's got a background, hasn't it? So, within Canva, edit image. Within Canva, I just click Background Remover. And this Background Remover works really well. You'll see. It never lets me down. Takes a few seconds, and it flashes and it flashes. If I had really fast internet, this would be even faster. And there is me without the background. And I can move that, shuffle it, line it up, put it behind or in front of people. There is me. But I'm not happy with that, am I? No. Why am I not happy with that? Because I look a bit old and wrinkly. Edit image. Here we go. Face retouch. I'm going to make myself look pretty. I know. Please don't cringe at this. Everybody does it. And auto and apply. And it's going to get rid of some of my wrinkles. And it's going to whiten my teeth a little bit. Have you seen that? Boom. That's how easy it is. And I can move that. If I wanted to, in this one, I'm just going to keep me in there like that. The other thing people do on their YouTube videos and on their thumbnails is they have the glow. Okay, so now we're going to try and add that glow. See what I'm trying to do here. It is like the previous picture we saw. Let's have a look. Yeah, it seems to be all the trend now is the big, thick white outline. So I'm not here to judge whether that's right or not, but that's what people seem to think works. So I'm going to stretch me and put me there. And I'm going to put, I made this thumbnail. And so easy, very easy to use the controls, you know. That's what I like about it. I made this thumbnail with Canva. I'm going to make that a bit bigger, so I just click bigger, 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 bigger. I made this thumbnail with Canva in minutes. And that's it. So that's how easy it is. It's so easy. Upload your pictures, take away the background, get rid of your wrinkles, give yourself a white glow, and then change everything you want. If you want to animate it, you can. So if you wanted to make your thumbnail into a video, no problem at all. You can use all of the effects and all of the animations. I like that one. That's good. Tumble. So if you were going to use it as a sort of a hook or an intro to one of your actual videos, you could do that. But I'm just going to have it as a static thumbnail. And when I'm ready to download it, I click share. And I can either copy the link, I can send it to other people, I can present it, or just simply download it. So I'm going to download it as a PNG and click download. And that thumbnail is now downloaded in the right format, ready for me to upload. There it is. Let's have a look. Ready for me to upload into my YouTube video. And that's how easy it is. I will just show you the other ones that I use, so the ones I actually use, and this is exactly the process I do. So I've got a few different ones, but more or less following the same theme, and they seem to work for me. I'd love your opinion on me. Tell me what you think. And actually, quite often with these, I think less is more. So, recent designs. Yeah, once again, if the internet seems slow, it's not Canva that's slow, it's the fact that I am in the back of my van. Where's the actual one that I did not long ago? There you go. So, that was the one I was actually making for this video. Canva, make thumbnails fast. And again, that picture was done the same. All right, my head was chopped off on that. And my shoulders aren't there. But that's how I make it. So every time I make a new video, because you see I do kind of follow this theme, they're always auto-saved with Canva. So I just change this text to YouTube or whatever. Reduce the size of the text. Make the boxes fit, and I just literally move that text, make that box. It's just so easy to use. And then I want to get rid of that picture, put another one. I just go to my uploads. I go, okay, today we will use this one. Stick it in. Go through the process. Edit. Remove the background. It's just so fast. Same process for each video. Once the background's gone. This is taking a bit of time, I know. Once the background's gone, edit my image again, make myself look beautiful. I don't know why I feel guilty showing you this. It's what everyone does. Everybody airbrushes everybody these days. Okay. Yes, it probably would be refreshing if I did keep those bags under my eyes. 100%. And then I just get rid of that one. Delete that picture. Replace it with this one. There it is. Move it around. Position it. And that's how I make my thumbnails. And I can just bang them out. And normally, actually, what I do, because I don't do what I'm probably meant to do. They always say make the thumbnail first. I actually make the video first. And normally, as I am uploading, either downloading the video using my web editing software, not my web editing, my video editing software, or as I'm uploading the YouTube video, that's when I make the thumbnail. And normally, in the time it takes for the YouTube video to upload and, upload and process, I've made the thumbnail ready on Canva. And that's my work process. So, I am going to make more videos on the other stuff Canva does, but just for making thumbnails, I suggest it is the easiest tool. And if you link it in with, say you've got screen capture software like I use Manycam, which can just take a quick snapshot. I can quickly just look at the camera, do a quick smile, take the snapshot, upload it to Canva, slot it into the thumbnail, change the text, and within a couple of minutes, I've made a brand new thumbnail. So, here we go. There you go. What do you think of that? Hope you liked it. Yeah. So check the link in my description for a free trial of Canva if you've never used Canva. Click on the link and you'll get a free trial and just try it out. Really good for using thumbnails, but as I say, for so much other stuff as well. And I will make quite a few Canva videos. It's not an expensive subscription, Canva. It's depending on where you live in the world. I think I pay £10 a month. But it's invaluable for me. So do like this video. Do comment below if you found it helpful. That always helps me. Hopefully you've subscribed to the channel already and click that notification button. Go on, and I will see you next time with more videos, not just on Canva, but all sorts of great software and some not so great software. I'll see you next time.